पपाया, कच्चा पपाया, पक्का 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 पपाया। ओवर टू यू अमन।
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पकाया।
नो गाइस, आज की जो एक्टिविटी है ये है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने वाली एक्टिविटी। तो मैं चाहता हूं हम सभी लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें, डरें बिल्कुल नहीं। ऑलराइट, अगर आप हिंदी बोल रहे हैं तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और अगर आप इंग्लिश बोल पा रहे हैं तब तो वंडरफुल है। तो गाइस डरना बिल्कुल नहीं है। आर वी ऑल रेडी?
यस सर।
ये रेडी वाली आवाज है?
यस सर।
एक बार और लाउड।
यस सर।
बोलो, आई एम द बेस्ट, आई कैन, आई एम द बेस्ट, आई कैन। गाइस कैन स्टार्ट।
हाय,
Hello.
good morning.
Very good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you? Sorry, how about you?
I am also fine. And where are you going?
Actually, I'm going to my office. My office timing is 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. And which by which means bus or auto?
No, actually, I'm going by auto.
Yes.
Yes. And
yes.
talk about you. What are you doing?
I am a chess instructor
Yeah?
in school. Chess instructor, chess trainer.
Oh.
Yes. I train two children for chess.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, I want to know about your profession. How you do the work?
Yes, first we go to school and meet to principal and director, and after that we discuss our plan, explain our plan. We are the chess instructor and we are organizing some chess program in schools, and find out the talented student for chess who know about chess, who know about how to play chess. So we find out the childrens, and after that we make a group of that students, and after that we conduct some classes for chess. So
I really
this-
blessed to know your profession is really very nice.
Yes,
And-
thank you.
Yes. So I want to know how many members in your family?
I have in my family we have 3 members: my father, my mother, and I. And what about your family?
My family is I have parents and I have my 4 siblings.
Yeah. Okay. So this is very
Wonderful, that was really nice talking, man. कितना कंटिन्यू करा आप लोगों ने और बहुत अच्छे से बोला, बहुत बढ़िया। एक बार जोर से बोलो, आई एम द बेस्ट,
I am the best.
यस आई कैन,
Yes, I can.
वेरी गुड, गो बैक।
Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think that you all are doing pretty well. Yes. Today we are here for a healthy conversations with each other. So let's begin our conversation. Hello sir, how are you and what is your name?
Hello sir, my name is Dipanshu Mehra, and I am a little bit nervous, but I am exciting to having a conversation with you. And how about you?
As you know that today's scenario is disease prone. People are getting infected by some flus or disease. So I do also. I am also infected from some flus from the last 2 to 4 days. Then I consult a doctor, and the doctor gives me advice and gave me some medicines also. After taking medicines, now I am feeling pretty good. Can you tell me about something about your education qualifications?
Yeah, sure. I am completing my schooling from Bhimtal, which is my birthplace also, and I am also a graduate from Kumaon University, Nainital, and nowadays I am here in Haldwani, and for my preparation for Group C exams.
Oh, it seems that you are a well-educated person. What you do in your free time?
In my free time, nowadays that you know IPL is going on, so everyone watching IPL has a favorite team. So I have also a favorite team. My favorite team is RCB, and I don't even miss a single match of my favorite team.
Oh, it's very good. Thanks Dipanshu for having a healthy conversation with me.
Thank you.
I feels very I feels very good while talking to you. Now I think that it is time to end our conversations because other students are also waiting for their turn. So let's end it. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wonderful. Very good. So next for the conversation we have got Lokesh and Manish. Say hi to everyone.
Hi. Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning and say I am the best.
I am the best.
Loud.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Now start the conversation.
Hello sir, my name is Manish. What's your name?
My name is Lokesh Pathak.
So where are you from, Lokesh?
I am basically from Pithoragarh, but these days I am living in Haldwani.
For what?
I do a kind of business.
Okay.
So I am living here since 3 years. What about you?
I am from Almora. I have completed my bachelor's. Now I am planning to do master's this year. So here in Haldwani, I am for personality development classes.
Okay.
That's all. So what are the places should I visit in Pithoragarh if I visit?
You can go in Chandak. It is most popular in there, and also in Maharaja Park, Kent area.
Okay.
You can must visit there.
So
You
what,
will feel good.
so what are your hobbies?
My hobby is like bike riding, mountain biking, trekking, badminton, playing badminton. It is. What about you?
So I like to watch movies, and in my free time I listen to songs. I like to play guitar. I am learning it right now, and I am watching IPL these days. That's all.
Okay.
So it was nice talking to you. Have a good day.
All right, keeping it short and simple. Big round of applause for them as well. Wonderful. Good job. Now let's call Manisha. You come, and Vinny, you come. Clap for them, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
May I have your good name?
Yes, my name is Binny Upadhyay. And about you?
My name is Manisha Bhatt. And how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. And what do you do?
Basically, I am doing. From now, I am preparing for competitive exam. And about yourself?
Presently, I'm in BSc final year, and along that, I'm doing diploma in advanced computer software.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
I like gardening, and also I like reading novels.
Okay.
And you?
I also like gardening, and my hobbies are basically painting and dancing also.
Okay, that's very good. And which place do you like the most?
I think Pithoragarh.
Are you from Pithoragarh?
Yes, I am from
Oh,
Pithoragarh.
that's why. And tell us about yourself.
Basically, my name is Binny Upadhyay, as you know, and I am from a small village which is situated in Khodi, from Pithoragarh. I did my graduation and post-graduation both from Pithoragarh, LSM College. That's it.
Oh, that's good. And do you like traveling?
Yes, but जैसे कोई opportunity नहीं, so I did it.
Oh,
Do you like traveling?
if I talk about myself, so I avoid traveling because I get traveling sickness, so I avoid, and I also have fear of the health. Fear.
So, okay. Thank you.
So say it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking with you. Thank you.
Great. Clap for them. Arvind Singh Dasila and
This is Aman.
Aman. So say hi to everyone.
Hello,
Hello, everyone. Hi.
And now say I am the best.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I am the best.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
So Arvind, where are you from?
I am from Pithoragarh.
And Aman, where are you from?
I am from Pithoragarh.
All right. Are you a student, Arvind?
Yes.
And Aman, are you also a student?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what do you study?
Sir, I am study for college Amrapali Group of Institute HM.
You are doing your HM from Amrapali Institute. All right. And Arvind, what do you do?
I'm just completed BA.
All right. You have completed your BA?
Yeah, I just complete.
Okay.
But I think
right now, what are you doing?
What are you doing right?
Yes, yes. That means, are you preparing for some competitive exams?
Yes.
You are preparing for competitive exams. So all the very best for that. So which competitive exam you are preparing for? Any particular exam?
Army GD.
Which one?
Army GD.
Army GD. Okay. So you want to serve the nation. That's very good. And what are your hobbies, Aman?
That's like playing football and traveling.
Playing football and traveling. Okay. And what are your hobbies, Arvind? What do you like to do?
My hobbies is traveling, bike riding, and cricket. Playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Okay. A lot of things are there. So do you play cricket every day?
No, but every day no, but sometimes
you do. Okay, that's really great. And now I'm gonna say one line. आपको मेरे साथ उसे repeat करना है, ठीक है? कितनी बार repeat करोगे? 5 बार repeat करोगे. पपीता खाया है?
पपीता खाया.
ठीक है? पपीता खाया आपने? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे. आपने खाया पपीता? Alright. तो कच्चा पपीता खाया है? पक्का पपीता खाया है?
दोनों खाए.
दोनों खाए हुए. बहुत बढ़िया. तो अब हम लोग यही बोलने जा रहे हैं. इसे बोलते हैं टंग ट्विस्टर. इससे हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ता है और हमारी टंग की एक्सरसाइज होती है, हमारा प्रोनाउंसिएशन बेटर होता है. तो पहले अरविंद से शुरुआत करेंगे, ठीक है? सो इट इज कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया.
कच्चा पकाया पक्का.
कम ऑन ट्राई. कच्चा पपाया.
कच्चा पकाया.
कच्चा पपाया. कच्चा
पपाया.
पक्का पपाया. कच्चा
पपाया पक्का पपाया.
Say it 3 times. 3 बार बोलो इसे. Come on. कच्चा पपाया
पक्का पपाया.
फिर से.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया.
एक बार और.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. Over to you, Aman.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पकाया.
No problem. Come on, go ahead. पकेगा.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पकाया.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. देखिए, अरविंद was able to do it, but Aman is failing. But मुझे लगता है अमन और अच्छा कर सकता है. Come on, Aman, go for it.
कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया. कच्चा पपाया पक्का पपाया.
देखा? Wonderful. Clap for them. Good job, guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
I am the best.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I am the best.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Let's call Gaya. You come. Sarita ji, you come. Clap for them, guys.
Hello everyone.
And say, I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Very good. Now start the conversation. आप शुरू करते हैं conversation.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I am very well. And how about you?
I'm pretty well. How long time I meet you?
Yes, I am busy. These days because I go to Excellent Academy for improve my English communication, and you should go Excellent Academy.
Where is Excellent Academy? Please tell me.
Yeah, I want to tell you about this academy. You have to search Google, and you will find this location.
Thank you. My communication is very poor. Thank you for this information. My house is nearby. Please come with me.
Sure. How many members do you live?
There are 4 members in my family. My father, my parents, my brother. My father do job, my mother housewife, my brother study. Do you like vegetarian, Non-vegetarian.
I like eating vegetarian. Since I was a kid, I have never eaten non-vegetarian. So I like eating a vegetarian. Many vegetables are like a vegetarian, like as hari sabji and potatoes and many varieties of sabjis, and it's good for health. So you also do you like vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I like vegetarian. जैसे लाइक आलू के पराठे, भिंडी की भिंडीज सब्जीज, एंड आई डोंट लाइक नॉन वेज.
Okay.
Do you like pakoras?
Yes, I like eating pakoras. My mother makes different varieties of pakoras. After I got married, I make pakoras and I feed my kids and my family members, for my family members. And do you like watching movies, action movies or horror movies?
I like action movies.
Okay.
How about you?
I like watching horror movies sometimes because being a homemaker and I have no time and every time to take care of my kids. So sometimes I like watching movies, any movies.
Do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like traveling. Especially for my families, with my family. And how about you?
Yeah, I like traveling sometime.
Okay. So nice to meet you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, have a nice to you.
Wonderful. That was really nice. Imani, please come, and Nitish, you come. Clap for them. तो एक बार जल्दी से बोलिएगा, जय माता दी।
जय माता दी।
जोर से बोलो।
जय माता दी।
जोर से बोलो।
जय माता दी।
सारे बोलो।
जय माता दी।
Very good. Now start the conversation.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am fine. So, what time do you come to institute?
I come institute 9 o'clock. And when do you?
Actually, I usually come also around 9 o'clock. So how do you actually I come by the scooty? How do you come to the institute?
I come to the institute on foot.
So how long it will take to reach here?
10 minutes.
Okay. So what do you do after reaching your home?
I reach home 10:30, about 10:30. After then I study 1 hour. And how about you?
Actually, I reach around 11, and then I had a lunch, and then I study for my work. So this is my routine. So usually I do this, but sometimes I have to do some other things. So what kind of food do you like?
Chinese food, and sometimes some vegetables are like.
Do you like paneer, or only you like green vegetables?
Paneer, yes.
Which dish do you like in paneer? I mean,
Shahi paneer, matar paneer.
Okay. So, have you ever tasted the non-veg?
No.
You never tasted the non-veg?
No.
Okay. I used to eat non-veg a lot, but nowadays I do not eat non-veg. I prefer the vegetarian food. So I use green vegetables and paneer also sometimes, but usually I like to eat green vegetables and fruits. So So how do you spend your day normally?
Usually I wake up 5 o'clock and then go to morning walk. Then come back home.
So next, Gaurav, go ahead, and Prashant, go ahead. Conversation.
Hello Prashant.
Hello.
So how was your day?
It's good. How are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm also fine. And what's your hobbies?
My hobby is to playing sports and like football, basketball, like all. And what's about you?
I play cricket sometime.
Oh.
What's your favorite sports is football. So who is your favorite player?
Player? Cristiano Ronaldo and not Messi.
Yeah.
So
what do you think about both of them? Because world compare these two players. So according to you, who is best?
Maybe Ronaldo, because he was struggling a lot in their future, and they have too good on his fitness, and they're struggling because we love Ronaldo because the family of Ronaldo is poor and they struggle to come down to upward. And Messi have an average family, so I think Ronaldo was best.
I also think because Ronaldo do hard work more than Messi. Messi is a natural player, but Ronaldo do best, do hard work.
Yes, of course. So what tell about your cricket? What was your journey of your cricket?
I play cricket. My favorite player is Virat Kohli.
Oh, Virat Kohli had a Punjabi family.
Yeah.
Oh.
So how many member in your family?
Generally we have 4 members, and father was accountant and mother's housewife. Housewife was teacher also, and we have to preparation of merchant navy and come to excellent class too. I think you also come to excellent class to speak English and improve your communication skill. And first, main importance, self-confidence. If you generally upward your self-confidence, so you come to excellent class to Mohit Kandpal sir. So I recommend you to come excellent class.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
All right, good job. Mahendra, come. आ जाओ. बहुत बढ़िया. तो एक बार जोर से बोलो, जय माता दी.
जय माता दी.
और जोर से बोलो,
जय माता दी.
हाथ उठा के,
जय माता दी.
बहुत बढ़िया. आप बोलो, आई एम द बेस्ट.
आई एम द बेस्ट.
ऐसे बोलो, आई एम द बेस्ट.
आई एम द बेस्ट.
आई एम द बेस्ट.
आई एम द बेस्ट.
यस आई कैन.
यस आई कैन.
यस आई कैन.
यस आई कैन.
कैमरे की तरफ देख के बोलो, यस आई कैन.
यस आई कैन.
बहुत बढ़िया. अब मेरे साथ कुछ सवालों के जवाब दो, ठीक है? व्हाट इज योर नेम?
माय नेम इज महेंद्र सिंह नेगी.
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
I am from Haldwani, Uttarakhand.
How many members are there in your family?
How many? 4 members are in family.
Like?
Father, mother, brother, and me.
And you are there. Okay. Do you like eating non-veg?
Yes.
Do you like traveling?
Yes.
Where all have you traveled? Which all places have you been to? Like, have you been to Nainital?
Yes, sir.
All right. What do you like about Nainital? Like, what all did you see in Nainital?
So Nainital is the best place.
What is there in Nainital?
Nainital is temple.
Okay, there is a temple there, and anything else?
And beautiful place.
It's a beautiful place. All right. And do you like watching movies?
Yes.
Who is your favorite actor?
Favorite actor Salman Khan.
Okay, Salman Khan. And your favorite movie is?
Favorite movie is KGF.
KGF. Okay, Salman Khan is favorite actor, but the movie is KGF. Okay. And which subject is your favorite?
The subject your Hindi.
Hindi is your favorite subject. Okay. So whenever he is answering, he has a very cunning smile. Okay. So Mahendra, I'm going to say one line. You got to repeat that after me. Okay. जिस ताले की चाबी
मुझे
You have to say this with me. जिस ताले की चाबी,
जिस ताले की चाबी,
उस चाबी का ताला,
उस चाबी का ताला,
जिस ताले की चाबी,
जिस ताले की चाबी,
उस चाबी का ताला,
उस चाबी का ताला,
जिस ताले की चाबी,
जिस ताले की चाबी,
उस चाबी का ताला,
उस चाबी का ताला।
अब आपको इसे एक साथ बोलना है 3 बार, ठीक है? जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला, जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला, जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला। कम ऑन।
जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला, जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला, जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला, जिस ताले की चाबी
उस चाबी का ताला,
जिस चाबी की ताली उस
जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला,
जिस ताले की चाबी उस ताले का चाबी का ताला।
बहुत बढ़िया। ये कल आप प्रैक्टिस करके आओगे, कर लोगे? चलो एक डायलॉग बोलना है आपको शोले मूवी का। बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना।
बसंती इस कुत्तों के सामने,
इन कुत्तों के सामने, प्लूरल है ये।
बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना।
ऑलराइट, आप इसे बिल्कुल धर्मेंद्र की आवाज में बोलने की कोशिश करो, बिल्कुल वैसे ही कि आप उसी फिल्म में हो, शूटिंग चल रही है, कैमरा ऑन है, लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन।
बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना।
वाह बसंती, बिल्कुल तुम्हारी बात।
Semester, and you say, what are you doing nowadays?
So, I'm graduate and I'm doing coaching from in Halwani and looking for a government job.
Okay, are you preparing for any competitive exam?
Yes.
Okay, which?
Like SSC, CGL and banking.
Okay, so I wish and I hope you qualify your examination and get a job as soon as.
Thank you.
Okay, so say something about yourself.
So I'm from Bageshwar. So I have come here for my further studies and for my coaching. So I could score. I can score good in this exam.
Okay,
so my aim is to clear this exam at this time, which is coming near.
Okay. Do you know nowadays IPL season? So do you watch IPL?
No, I don't have interest on IPL.
Okay.
But I watch when India plays with another country. That time I watch.
Okay. So by the way, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing outside games like football, and sometimes I play guitar and do beatboxing.
Okay.
And singing as well.
Okay, so do you like singing?
Yes.
Okay, I also like
you.
Yes.
Tell me about your hobbies.
Hobbies, my hobby is like traveling and singing also. I love traveling. My one of the best places like Kerala. Kerala is my best place. I will go on a further you say in future definitely. Yes.
So what is your aim in your life?
Basically, I don't have this time any aim. I'm just graduate after that and see what happened in future.
That's good, very good. That, but you have to set a goal because it will help you to achieve this target in a short time.
Yeah, you are right. But you know, I'm a college student, so in college life you have lots of time to thinking about your future, your goal. So in this time, I'm just focus on my study and some my other like you say hobbies. So yeah, like see what happened after my graduation.
Okay, so. What do you do in your daily routine?
What you
do in your daily routine, like
daily
your day?
Honestly saying, my daily routine not like surprisable. It's normal. I just wake up at 7 a.m. After then I freshen and take a shower and went to the college at 9:30. After then I attend all the classes and then I came back from college. Then if I feel tired and unfresh, so I take a evening nap. Then I teach some student and like
you teach tuition.
Yes, I am teach some student.
From which class to?
Like first to 10th.
Oh.
Yes, because we have in college life we have a lots of time to do some other activities. So yeah, sometimes I'm like
so
teach some.
You don't
student.
like to play games, outdoor games?
Honestly saying, no. In this time, I just only focus my study and other activities.
Okay.
So do you like play any games?
Yeah, I like playing football as you know that I tell you. But I also like to play online games in my mobile.
who's your best player? Like we know that a very like in football, like
it's like Messi and Ronaldo.
Okay, everyone.
But they both are retired.
Oh, okay. Okay, so by the way, tell about your family. How many members in your family?
In my family, there are 5 members, including me, my father, mother, and my 2 sisters.
Sorry?
My father, mother, and I have 2 sisters, little sisters.
Okay, so you are a elder in
Yes,
your.
I am
Oh,
elder.
somebody, yeah. So nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
And Sachin, go ahead.
Hello Sachin. Hello. Myself Pradeep Negi. And
my name is Sachin.
how are you, Sachin?
I am good. What's about you?
I am also good, but I am very nervous today because today is my first session speaking in front of all. But you tell about of you. What are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing outdoor games and indoor games also, and playing online games.
Okay.
And traveling. And your?
My hobby also traveling, playing and not singing, only dancing without any music, and but in which class do you read?
Yeah, currently I am pursuing my graduation.
Okay.
And which course you have?
No, I'm not. Recently, I learned English from in this institute, and I am working in Tata Motors Pantnagar, and I want to speak in English, fluent English, and try my best. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good job. So Himani and Saurabh, go ahead. Your turn. Clap for them, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Himanti Tiwari, and you?
My name is Saurabh West, and how many members are in your family?
7, 2 sisters, 1 brother, and mother, father, and grandma. And your family? How many members?
My mother and my small sister and I, and my father is in job. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is dancing and traveling. And your hobby?
I like to do paint and traveling only.
In which class you have read?
I am in 9th class, and you?
9th.
Okay.
What is your aim?
My aim is to be engineer. And what is your aim?
Yeah.
Aim. No.
My aim is actor and dancer.
So सौरभ कौन सी क्लास में है आप? 9th में है. And Himani, in which class do you study?
9th.
दोनों 9th में ही है. So do you guys like traveling? आपको travel करना पसंद है?
Yes.
Alright. So which is your favorite place? आपकी favorite जगह कौन सी है?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Alright. What do you like about Bangalore? आपको Bangalore में क्या अच्छा लगता है?
Silicon Valley.
Alright, Silicon Valley. Okay. How about you? Do you like traveling?
Yes sir.
आपको travel करना पसंद है? आपकी favorite जगह कौन सी है travel करने के लिए? मुंबई में क्या अच्छा लगा आपको सबसे ज्यादा? Could be a place, could be some food. क्या अच्छा लगा? Place. कौन सी जगह? Don't remember the place? No problem. किसी celebrity के घर वगैरह गए आप मुंबई में? नहीं गए? वो लोग आए आपसे मिलने के लिए? वो भी नहीं आए? Alright, no problem. तो आपकी favorite dish कौन सी है?
My simple only.
Simple, okay. Simple में क्या? Simple is the dish name या क्या simple?
Like
जैसे simple chicken, जिसमें chicken ना डाला जाए. या फिर क्या? Anything that is simple. बहुत ही सिंपल बच्चे हैं ये. Very good. Clap for him. And हिमानी, आपकी फेवरेट डिश?
छोले
छोले
भटूरे.
भटूरे. आई थिंक छोले भटूरे ज्यादातर लोगों के फेवरेट होते हैं. आप में से कितनों के फेवरेट है छोले भटूरे? आपके. सर मेरे. ऑलराइट, तो एक दिन हम लोग छोला भटूरा पार्टी करेंगे. एक बार जोरदार तालियां दीजिए.
Hello Ankita, how are you?
I'm pretty good, and you?
I am also fine.
Where are you from?
I am from Halwani, and you?
I'm from Pithoragarh, but right now I am living in Halwani.
Tell me about your life and what are you doing?
Right now I am preparing my competitive exams, and what are you doing?
I am working in Tata Motors, and today I am speaking in English in front of you.
Which company?
Tata Motors.
Where is?
Pantnagar. Tata Motors Pantnagar.
How many members in your family?
6 members in my family. My mother-in-law, father-in-law, and my husband and my kids. What is your aim?
My short-term aim is I improve my communication skill, and my long-term aim is I want to succeed in my life. And what is your aim in your life?
Actually, I get my aim, and actually my aim is talking in English in front.
Yes. How many days you join this academy?
And 3 and 4 days.
You have watched movies?
Yeah, I interested in watch movie, and my favorite musician Kabir, and my favorite actor is Shahid Kapoor. And you are?
I also watch movies, but I have no favorite actor.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Good job.
Hello.
All right, now continue your conversation.
Hi, my name is Vince.
I'm Jagdish. So what do you do?
I am doing study in class 11th.
11th? You are on 11th. Okay. So right now you are here. So who told you about this institute? Like
I am checking YouTube for coming here because my communication is very poor.
Okay, so you have watched videos on YouTube, so that's why you come across this channel.
Yes.
And you have admission. You have get admission here. So how many family members in your family?
In my family members, there are 4 members in my family.
Okay.
My father, my mother, and my small sister.
Okay. So right now you are living with your family?
Yes.
Okay, and where do you live?
I am living in Halwani in Kusum.
Kusum And where you have done your education?
Education till class 2.
Sorry?
What please can I give?
Where did you have your education? I mean your studies from you have done?
Studies from school.
School. Which school?
Inspiration School.
Okay, and where is it?
It is Kathgodam.
Kathgodam. You have done your education from Kathgodam.
Yes.
Okay. So I have done my education, primary and secondary, from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Almora. Have you heard about this school before? Okay. And right now I'm pursuing my hotel management, and we are just about to enter to the job. So tell me something about yourself. Like what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is to play games and reading books.
What kind of?
Playing games and reading books.
Reading books.
Yes.
And what kind of what genre do you like? Like do you name any books that you have recently read?
Only comics. Comics book.
Okay. And apart from that, you like games? Which kind of games?
Which games like football and basketball.
you like football, and
Yes, yes.
I also like football. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Clap for Mukesh. Mukesh is a very shy boy. और मुकेश एक बार सबसे हाय बोलो.
Hi.
थोड़ा लाउड.
Hi.
आप एक बार बोलो, जोर से बोलना. जय माता दी.
जय माता दी.
जय माता दी. आप बोलो, I am the best.
I am the best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I am the best.
I am best.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
बहुत बढ़िया. आप बताओ मुझे मुकेश, what do you do? आप क्या करते हो?
स्टडी सर.
स्टडी करते हो. क्या स्टडी कर रहे हो आप?
एविएशन का.
एविएशन का कोर्स कर रहे हो. ओके, वेरी नाइस. तो काफी क्रिएटिव चीज कर रहे हैं. एविएशन का कोर्स कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. तो मुकेश, एक टंग ट्विस्टर है आपके लिए. बोलिएगा आप इसको मेरे साथ में, ठीक है?
यस.
जिस ताले की चाबी.
जिस ताले की चाबी.
उस चाबी का ताला.
उस चाबी का ताला.
जिस ताले की चाबी.
जिस ताले की चाबी.
उस चाबी का ताला.
उस चाबी का ताला.
अब आप इसे बोलो लगातार.
जिस ताले की चाबी. उस चाबी का ताला.
अब 3 बार बोलना है इसे. कम ऑन.
जिस ताले की चाबी. उस चाबी का ताला. जिस चाबी की ताली. उस चाबी का ताला. जिस चाबी की ताली. उस चाबी का.
बहुत बढ़िया.